Ever lost your keys and wished there was an easy way to find them? We've all been there, haven't we? The frantic search, the mounting frustration, the precious time wasted. It's a common problem that we've all faced at one point or another. It's a seemingly small issue, but it can throw a wrench into our day, causing unnecessary stress and delay. Now, imagine a world where this problem doesn't exist. What if there was a device that could save you from all this hassle? Say hello to the Tile Tracker, your new best friend in keeping track of your valuable items. This petite, power-packed gadget is designed to keep your belongings within your reach. Whether it's your elusive set of keys or the remote that always seems to disappear, the Tile Tracker has got you covered. Using Bluetooth technology, it connects to an easy-to-use app on your smartphone, helping you locate your items with a simple tap. Now you're probably wondering, how exactly does this magical device work? Well, it's actually quite simple and intuitive to use. Let's start with unpacking your Tile Tracker. Inside the box, you'll find the compact device itself along with a quick start guide. But of course, you've got me, so let's just dive right in. First, you'll need to download the Tile app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. Once downloaded, open the app and select the plus sign to add a new tile. Next, press the Tile button on your tracker. You'll hear a tune confirming that it's ready to pair with your device. In the app, select Tile, and your phone will begin to connect with the tracker. This process might take a few seconds, so sit tight. Once paired, you can select a category for your tile, like keys, wallet, or bag. This helps you identify what exactly you're tracking in case you have more than one tile. You can also customize the name and picture for easier recognition. Now, whenever you misplace your item, simply open the Tile app, tap on the tile you're looking for, and select Find. The Tile Tracker will then play a loud tune helping you locate your lost item. To check the last known location of your item, you can view it on the map in your Tile app. This feature is incredibly helpful when you leave something behind at a previous location. And there you have it. That's how you use the Tile Tracker to never lose your keys again. So, are you ready to say goodbye to the days of lost keys? We've detailed the ins and outs of the Tile Tracker, a game changer for all of you out there tired of misplacing your essentials. This handy device, with its easy-to-follow steps, can truly make your life easier. No more frantic searches in the morning or losing your cool over lost items. Smash that like button if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends who always lose their keys, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech guides. See you in the next video.